The next time you walk in the room with something to say, you will either be heard or you will leave the room wondering why you weren't. If you're a woman who's already capable, accomplished, showing up, but you still feel like your voice isn't taken seriously, this episode is for you. I'm going to give you 5 tools, 5 important tools, 5 tools that I have built by making lots of mistakes. I don't want you to replicate those mistakes. So pay attention, grab a piece of paper, write down each of these tools because they're going to help you the next time you walk into the room. Okay, tool number 1, prepare one key point before you ever walk into the meeting. Most of the time, we as women walk into a meeting, we are ready to contribute. However, too often we walk away at the end of the meeting feeling like we never did. And it's not a matter of confidence. It's, in fact, a matter of lack of preparation. Preparing one key point, just one, is going to change the way you show up. You're going to be more confident because you know exactly what you're going to say. So, what that means is you're going to show up entirely differently. Your body language will be different. Your eye contact will be different. Your tone of voice, the way you deliver, will be different. You will be different because you have prepared one key point. That's it. You just need to prepare one key point. That one key point becomes your anchor. We've all been there. We wait for the moment of inspiration to arrive, and it never does. But because you have prepared that one key point, you are in fact grounded, you're anchored and ready to contribute. Preparation isn't about having all the answers. I think too often we get hung up on the fact that we have to have all the answers. You are preparing one point. That's it. It's all about owning just one. Just one. All right, tool number 2 is to speak up earlier rather than later, and I think this is somewhat counterintuitive. Maybe you're like me. I've sat in many meetings. I've been in conversations where I just kind of wait for the perfect moment. That perfect moment, it never arrives because you know there's this moment and the window opens and it's waiting for a contribution. Other people contribute, but you keep waiting. And what happens? The window shuts. And it's hard to get back and get that opportunity to open, that window to open again. So counterintuitive as it feels, you've got to actually speak up a little earlier rather than keep waiting. I think too often we tend to think in an effort to be polite, we're going to wait. But speaking up is not about dominating the room. I think too often we think if we speak up early, it gives the impression we're dominating the room. We want to dominate the conversation. That's not so. But then we label that as not being polite, and that's not being courteous, and that's not being kind. Well, that's completely incorrect. It's important that we do speak up because when we speak up and when we speak up earlier, it sends a message to everybody in the room. It sends the message that we are interested, we're excited, we're ready to participate, we are ready to engage, and people recognize that quickly. Interestingly enough, that signals a change the way people listen to you for the rest of the conversation. Number 3, and I love this tool. I love this tool. It's very different than what you would expect. But before we go there, if you are looking to be more confident, if you feel like you're not exuding confidence when you walk into the room or when you're engaged in a conversation, I've got something for you. Look below. It's in the description. It is a link to a guide that I put together, 7 secrets to building confidence, to creating confidence. All right, let's talk about tool number 3, and I love this one. Use a starter phrase. Yeah, in a conversation or in a sentence, it's easy in the middle of the sentence, it's easy once the conversation gets going. It's the beginning. It's the beginning, getting that momentum, getting that start, turning the keys, whatever description you want to use is the very beginning that's difficult. So if you have this little starter phrase, it makes all the difference in the world. A starter phrase is something you rehearse. It's simple. It's what it is. It's a bridge. It's a bridge that takes you from silence into conversation. Phrases like, and you might want to write these down, building on that. One thing I keep coming back to. Here's what I'm noticing. They do two things at the same time. They buy you a breath and they signal that what you have to say next matters. Now, you don't have to be spontaneous. You just have to be ready. Now, starter phrases, I grant you, they feel small until you're in that high stakes moment. And that makes all the difference in the world, your starter phrase. Number 4, slow down. So often when we get nervous, when we get anxious, what do? We speed up. We start talking faster and faster and faster. And sometimes people can't even begin to understand what we're saying, but it's also a sign of nerves. So rather than speeding up, be intentional about slowing down. Literally slow down your pace and do it intentionally. And I got to tell you, it will feel uncomfortable when you first begin to exercise this speed difference. Here's what's so interesting. It's not about sounding slow. It's not about that. It's about sounding certain. And if you notice, when you speak more slowly, you are demanding attention. You're saying, what I have to say is important. So listen up. All right, you have to practice this. I know it seems like, we will remember to speak slowly when it's important to do so. We won't. It's not a habit. And it feels really uncomfortable when you first start doing it. And depending on what part of the country or the world you are from, there's a natural tendency to speak faster. So you have to be very intentional as far as speaking more slowly. Number 5, focus on the message, not on you. You know where I learned this? I learned it as a reporter, television reporter, and a television anchor. There's a tendency, I think for most of us, and I think this is true in meetings or in any conversation, you want to come across as intelligent, as sparkling, as brilliant, right? And so you're really focusing on how you sound. Am I asking an intelligent question? Am I asking a question that grabs everybody's attention? How do I look? Do I look serious? Do I look like I know what I'm talking about? So everything is about you, right? The focus is on you. To make this work, you have to actually pay attention to the other person and to their message. You're listening. When you stop paying attention to yourself, you begin to listen far better. You do ask better questions because you're listening to the other individual's response. You're paying attention and you're asking a follow-up question. I mean, let's face it. We live in the era of AI. Everything is performative and everything is perfect. You know when you're in a conversation, everything isn't perfect. So when you're focusing on that message, when you're focusing on that individual, people around you know. They can tell there's an engagement there. They can tell that that message is important to you. They can tell you care about how you're connecting to the other person. AI cannot replicate that. This is a time that you get to be genuine and get to be intentional. Women who stand out aren't trying to be perfect. They're making decisions, small decisions, one at a time. They're acting on those decisions, and they're beginning to move out of themselves and towards the other person, focusing on that person, their concerns, and how you can connect with them, how you can serve them, how you can help them. If this is the kind of conversation you're looking for, please hit subscribe. We talk about presence, we talk about communication, and we talk about connection. So important, never more important than in today's world. Now, if you're wondering why sometimes people don't take you seriously, even though you feel like you're doing all the right things, please take a look at this next video.